Whoa, hope you're doing good today. Today we're going to be checking out a hydration pack. Coming right up. Well, the people at ACVCY got in touch with me again and wanted to know if I wanted to check this out. I told them sure. So here it is. Let's pull it out of the box and see what all it looks like. Now, we've already opened this up and looked at it. And it comes in a 2-pack. You get 2 complete setups. Oh, I got that camera set to where it's only picking up about half of this table, huh? Hold on a second. Alright, well that might be a little bit better. Anyway, they sent me 2 of these. One of them, my oldest boy's already got. He works at a golf course, golf range, whatever. And he's using it at work. So we got one here to show you. Like I said, this was sent to me by ACVCY. This is a hydration pack, and it holds 2 liters of water. And I've seen some things on YouTube. Don't use these for soda or for anything other than water, because for one, they're hard to clean, especially the tube, and you really don't want to be having that sticky residue from soda left in your hydration pack. So here's the bladder itself. It feels fairly thick plastic or rubber. It does have a bite valve on it. You bite down on it to get your water. And I believe there's an on and off switch here, or a way to turn this off and on. I'm not positive on that. We'll find out. Then here's the backpack portion of it. Now, I looked at it a little bit when my son picked up the other one I had, and it's got some nice features to it. It does have a little bit of padding on the backpack here. It is webbed and vented. Then on the front side of it, it's got a nice mesh pocket here. It's got another pocket over here. You can stick your cell phone, tablet. And there's another one on this side, and these aren't, these don't go all the way through. These are 2 completely separate pockets. The one closest to the hydration bladder goes all the way to the bottom. The other one only goes to there. So you've got 2 nice areas. You can put yourself in a towel or something to wipe sweat off if you happen to be out cycling or jogging or whatever it is you're doing, where you need a hydration pack. Now, to set these up, the hydration pack goes back here, and there is some Velcro fasteners up underneath. Inside this pocket, there's some Velcro fasteners here, and what you want to do is take and put them through these little holes in the bladder, and it'll keep the bladder upright in there. Well, let's just go ahead and put it on in there, and there we go. I'm not going to do the Velcro right now because doesn't have any water in it, and I'll have to pull it out to put water in. And then on the straps, where are we going here? Oh, and there's both straps are identical except on different sides. Okay, you take the hose, and up under the same area where you found the Velcro things to hold the bladder in place. You run the hose up under that, and it comes into this, comes up out of the strap right here. And then the strap has a couple of little keepers that you run the hose through. So it'll make it easy to get to when you're out and about. You don't have to worry about it swinging around and hitting you in the back of the head or anything. There we go. And that's how that strap fits in there. Now this has a sternum strap on it to help it keep it secure against your body. And that is adjustable. And the shoulder straps are also adjustable. There's a look at I keep wanting to turn it the other way. This is the way it would be if you were wearing it. And this is what the back of it looks like. It feels nice and rugged. You can see these straps, they're almost like see-through, so they won't make you sweat, or if you do, it'll just come out and the air will evaporate it. So, and this is ambidextrous. In other words, the strap on this side is the same as the one on this side, so you can put the hose up through there on that side if you wish. Well, I just wanted to show you this. Like I said, the company sent it to me. My son's been using it out on the golf course and he likes it. So, and for, let's see, together they're $32.99, say $33. That would be roughly $16.50 a piece. You can't go wrong for $16.50. Go in with a friend of yours if you go walking together or something, and just tell them about it and say, hey, I saw these hydration packs on YouTube. They're only $16.50. Where can you go wrong? And if you have Amazon Prime, it's free shipping. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick this up. Please like, subscribe, share my videos, comment. That's how we get higher ratings in the YouTube algorithms, however you say that. This will go good when I'm out on my bike riding, so thumbs up on that. Have a good day. Stay prepared.